Welcome dear children. In this video session, you are going to learn English prepositions. Children, do you know what is a preposition? Prepositions are words which link nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentence. In simple words, it connects nouns or pronouns to the rest of the sentence. It usually describes the position of something, the time when something happens, and the way something is done. It is usually placed before a noun or pronoun and gives information about time, place, or direction. Let us see with examples. Prepositions are words which link nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a sentence. In simple words, it connects, preposition connects noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence. It connects, that is, preposition connects noun or pronoun to other noun or pronoun in a sentence. Look at this example. Where is the cat? The cat is behind the house. Here, behind tells us where the cat is. Behind is a preposition. Look at this example. Where is the cat? The cat is between the houses. Here, between tells us where the cat is. Here, between is a preposition. Look at this picture. Where is the cat? The cat is in or inside the house. Here, in or inside tells us where the cat is. So, in or inside is a preposition. Look at this picture. Where is the cat? It is next to or beside the house. Here, it tells us where the cat is. So, next to or beside is a preposition. Look at this picture. Where is the cat? The cat is on the house. On tells us where the cat is. So, on is a preposition. Here, where is the cat? Cat is over the house. Here, over tells us where the cat is. So, over is a preposition. Look at this picture. Where is the cat? The cat is under the house. Under tells us where the cat is. Here, under is a preposition. Some more examples. Look at this picture. Where is the ball? It is in the box. Next one. It is on the box. Next one, the ball is under the box. Next one, where is the ball? The ball is next to the box. Next one, where is the ball? The ball is behind the box. Next one, where is the ball? The ball is in front of the box. Next one, where is the ball? The ball is between the boxes. Here, in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, between tells us where the ball is. So, they are prepositions. Look at this. Where is the cup? The cup is on the table. Here, the preposition in this sentence is underlined. Where is the cup? The cup is on the table. On helps us to understand where the cup is located. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. In tells us where the ball is. Look at this picture. Where is Priya? Priya is at home. At tells us where Priya is. Okay, children, look at this prepositions of time. We'll see now where to use in, where to use on, and where to use at. First, we'll see where to use in. In is used to tell about parts of the day. Parts of the day, that is morning, afternoon, evening. Night is the exception. Okay. So if we want to refer in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And next, it is used for months, seasons. See, look here, February, spring, summer, autumn, winter. So these are seasons and months. And in is used to refer years. See here, in 2013, in the 1990s. So in is used to refer parts of the day, used for months, season, used for years. Next you see on. On is used to refer days of the week. On Sunday, on Monday morning, on Tuesday afternoon, on Wednesday evening, on my birthday, on a holiday. It is used to refer dates. On May 5, on a weekday, on the weekend. Next one, at. At is used to refer night. Listen children, for in we use only morning, afternoon, evening. If it is night means you have to use at. And then we have to, if we want to refer clock time, we have to use at 10:30. Next, it is used to refer meal time, noon, midday, midnight, lunchtime, breakfast. For everything you have to use at. Bedtime, sunrise, sunset. See this? This is from your book. See here, we have to use on. It is used for days of week. Example, he bought a bike on Friday. Next one, used for dates. My birthday is on November 20. Next, in. It is used for months. Example, my birthday is in September. Then it is used for seasons. The river goes dry in the summer. It is used for years. I was born in 1979. It is used for parts of the day. I have a test in the afternoon except night. Okay, next, at. It is used to refer clock times. First one, I get up at 7 o'clock. Next, used for night. The stars shine at night. Used for meal times. Jane went home at lunchtime. Okay, children, we'll move to the book exercise. Look here. Put the given time expressions in the correct columns. See here, winter, morning, 2 o'clock, evening, 1947, March, Sunday, 15th August, 4:30 p.m., wedding day. So you have to write in the correct column. So for in winter, in morning, in evening, in 1947, in March. So parts of the day, and to refer the seasons and to refer the years we have to use in. Next one, at 2 o'clock, at 4:30 p.m. To refer the time we have to use at. Next one, on. On Sunday, on 15th August, on wedding day. On is used to refer days of the week and it's used for dates. Next, complete the following sentences using the prepositions on, in, and at. The summer vacation ends dash Monday. For days of week, we have to use on. Number 2, I will meet you dash 7:30. To refer clock time, we have to use at. Third one, I don't drive dash night. If at is used to refer night. So at. Fourth one, my birthday falls dash September. In is used to refer months. Next one, number 5, birds migrate dash spring and autumn. Spring and autumn are seasons, so in is used for seasons. Number 6, her birthday is dash 6th April. So for day, for season, for months we use on. Next, circle the prepositions. See here, I'll read the lines, you listen. The meeting starts at 10 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday on 22nd of March in 2019. So you have to circle the prepositions. Look here, the meeting starts at, circle at. 10 o'clock in the morning, you have to circle in. On Wednesday, you have to circle on. On 22nd, you have to circle on. Of March, of is also a preposition, you have to circle off. In 2019, in is a preposition, so you have to circle it. Next, fill in the blanks using on, in, and at. My child was born at 2:30. To refer clock time, we have to use at. In the afternoon. Afternoon is a part of the day. So if you want to refer in. On Friday. Friday is a day of days of the week. So you have to use on. On 17th of August. For dates, you have to use on. In 2016, for years, you have to use in. Next one, help the spaceship reach the correct planet. So, at is one planet, in is one planet, on is one planet. You have to reach the correct, you have to write in the correct planet. Okay. At night, at 8 o'clock, at 5:30, at dinner. Next, in. In 1983, in 2013, in April, in the evening. Next one, on Sunday, on Tuesday, on 5th May, on 8th July. So, write neatly in your book, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.